Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking and unboxing the Asus AC5300, also as you notice here, the RT5300, AC5300 router. This is a tri-band gaming router. This is a really nice for gaming and 4K streaming. Okay, so let's start by opening this box up. I'm excited to get this. I'm actually updating my current one. As you saw last time, I had the Asus Lyra, and the problem I found with that one is it tended to drop the signal a lot, so I'm hoping this one will hold a Wi-Fi connection a lot better. Although I must admit, on the other one I did really enjoy the feature of having the Alexa in place. With this one, I just decided we're going to be doing a lot of gaming at home. Why not go with the gaming router? Okay, now that we took off the plastic wrap, let's actually see what's inside. This is the exciting part. Okay. Here we go. Ta-da! Right, starts with a quick guide. Then we've got some additional advertising here. The WT Fast. Not too sure what it is. And then comes the main unit itself. Right. Let's take that out. Let's see there. I'm gonna take out the outer box first, because it's being held in by this border. And then here we've got the actual router itself, all bagged up. And let's see what we have here. So this is the Asus router, and as you can see from the back here, there is the power switch right here on the right. Well, from my right, your left. And then we also have the USB 3 port right over there. There's a little where you put the power in. And then it has 4 ports, and this is where the main connection comes in externally. So that's at the very back there, if you can actually tell where the back is. I'm just going according to the label. On this side here, you've got the LED lights if you want the nice flashing LEDs. You've got a USB port, looks like a regular USB port. It's got your Wi-Fi button and the WPS. The Wi-Fi button is over here. Got the WPS in the middle there. At the front, that's where you have all your lights that show all the different signals. This shows either a 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. And then you get your WPS, shows the network, and you've got the external connection. And over here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8 places where we're going to connect the antenna. So let's see, where are the antennas hidden here? I'm going to put this aside here. Lift this next layer up. In the next layer, we've got the warranty, as well as a user guide in here. And a CD, if any of you guys still have a CD-ROM drive or a DVD-ROM drive. There's a little CD support. And then we've got VIP member, I guess I'm a VIP now. And you've got the nice little guide in many languages. It's really only about, see how many pages are actually in English. 16 pages, nope, I take it back. 15 pages of information in here, all right. All right, we're getting down there. All right, remove yet another layer. Oh, and there we are. Here are the antennas. How cool are these? See, they're all just laid out like that. So we're gonna take out all of these antennas. All 8 of them. All right, I don't think there's anything underneath this layer. We've already gone through a lot of layers. It's like peeling an onion here. Nothing else underneath. The little box on the side. My guess is the power supply is in here. So yep, sure enough, there's the power supply and some Ethernet cables over here. Here's the power supply. Okay, now the fun part. We're going to get to put all these antennas in. So just spin this part over here. Let's do that. You can just keep it still, just twist. So there's a grip there, so you can just twist it. See how cool this thing looks after we're done. It's the front. Right there, there's your front. And here's the bottom. There we go. Now let's plug this baby in and let's see it running, shall we? Okay, when you've plugged it in, you should see, and plugged in your wires, you should see something similar to this, except there shouldn't be a red light over there. Okay, now that you've plugged it in, what you need to do is you need to have a computer to plug a network cable into the back of the router. Then you go to router.asus.com and it will redirect you to this welcome page. So here you can start setting up your new wireless network. So we click on that button to get started, the welcome there. And then we'll come up with a network name, come up with anything you want, like my imagination. And the network security could be anything that you want. You can either separate, you have an option here to separate the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz to separate user, separate network names and passwords. Okay, you now get to a screen where you have advanced Asus AI mesh. So you can, there's lots of configuration options here. I know it's a little small on my screen here, but unfortunately I have one of those little small notebooks. Okay, but there's like a guest network setup, and lots of other options. So after you've completed the setup, and now that I have my imagination up and running, now the router should show all white lights. That means it's all healthy. You see it all flashing there, and you get the 2.4 gigahertz and the 5 gigahertz up and running. That's it. We're all set to go. Thank you for watching.